Welcome back to Pappy Tinkers, and today I have a model for you that you almost never see anybody doing a video of, and that's the 92 T-Bird SC. I did this car back in the 90s. Actually, I did a whole bunch of them back in the 90s. I used to work for a customizing company, and we would do spoilers and ground effects. We would make the front ends and the side pieces and the back end, as well as the spoiler, to make any of the regular T-Birds look like the SC. So I painted a whole bunch of models like this, all in factory colors. This one is MK, which is the Twilight Blue. Might look black on your screens with the Ford TS Silver. Sometimes we would do them the car colors, like the E4 Red or EG Electric Red, the DA Forest Green, Gold, and other colors. And we would sell these to the dealerships. But I did a whole lot of models like this as like promos, so that the dealers would have something to show the people as they were looking at the cars some of the options that they could get. And it got so that I hated painting these things. One of the things that was wrong with the kit was the windshield never fit in quite right, and it was so easy to get a crack right here. Half the ones I painted and made up, I had to paint the windshield after sanding out the crack so that it looked like it was just tinted windows. And I think if it was me, I would have figured out the right way to do it by then. But all of them. This particular one is the last one I have left. It's built as a curbside, so there's no engine in it. Like I said, I got so tired of painting these that it was boring. Sorry for the doggy paws. Black out the tail lights. Most of the T-Birds had a dark gray interior, or at least the SCs did. And we would bring these into the shop and put the ground effects on, the rocker cover, the door panel, the front and rear valances. It really didn't lower the car, it just made it look like it did. And if you've seen a T-Bird like this around the Cincinnati, Columbus, Louisville area, it's a good chance that this is one of the kits that I did. We did hundreds of these. So now I'm thinking that I still have this. Maybe it's time to put an engine in it and turn this into something else. Anyways, I just wanted to show that to you guys. And if you've got any comments or seen some of these floating around, go ahead and write about it in the comments. And click that like and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Have a good day from Pappy Tinkers.